Peace, what's up, y'all? This is Queen Sarita coming to you with another video about how to learn the tarot meanings. Basically, this is about learning the tarot meanings that can actually be learned in many ways, multiple ways. One of the ways is intuitively, and another way is learning the ways from the tarot book by memorizing the meanings, or you can do a little bit of both. Do intuitive tarot readings on the side of doing logical readings that are ran by reason, and using the tarot meanings that are in a book. So these are some of the ways that you can actually learn tarot, and it's wonderful you've already joined this course because this is a part of learning it. Just going through the cards, looking at them, seeing what type of meanings come up for you. That's what we're focusing on mostly in this course, is intuitive reading of the tarot cards. Now, learning the tarot cards can take place in multiple ways. Like I said, one of the ways is to learn to read tarot intuitively, or to use tarot card meanings that you memorize, or you may also decide to use both ways to read the cards, like I said. Now, there's no wrong way to read tarot, and however, it's also good to know what is your professionally or your personally chosen and preferred way to read the cards. What is that? Drop it below. I'd love to know if you are someone who loves to read the cards intuitively, or are you trying to switch it up and do something different. You're just getting started. What's working for you? What works best? How do you feel more confident? And if you're not as confident in, one way or another, are you open to developing that? As long as you're open to developing it, then it can get done. And I'm telling you, because it was not easy for me at first, okay? And I really doubted myself all over the place too, because I didn't have a firm grounding of the way that I wanted to read my cards and stuff at first. I had to learn that. So I do have some questions that you can ask yourself in order to discover this. So where is your best strength in reading tarot? Is it through memorizing book meanings, or is it piecing the images on the tarot cards together and making sense of them on the spot? Either way, just know that you can learn tarot. You can learn tarot, and basically you can do it in any which way that you want. I don't want you to give up. Keep on going. I know it's a lot to cover. It's okay, because tarot, we can do this for life. Also, I want you to pull a card daily. One of those tarot cards, pull one daily, sit it out and decipher it. See what it says. Choose one word that comes up to you and say, oh, I think this means this. I feel like it means that. Write it down in your tarot journal. If you don't have a tarot journal, use a sheet of paper. Do what you can. And I just want you to keep a record of your growth. Also, look at that card in all kinds of different angles and stuff. In one way or another, something's going to come through for you. So just keep doing it. And you don't have to force it either, And if you do need help with deciphering these cards, and you decide, I don't feel like reading it, I need some help, then contact me. I do work privately with you, and also can do tarot readings for you as well. So I can get those tarot meanings. I can help you out with that. I'm going to be putting a whole lot into this course, but if you want to work privately with me as well, reach out. All right, so yeah, I'd love to hear how you all are learning your tarot meanings. How are you preferring it? And I'll talk to you soon. This is Queen Sarita. Peace, love, take care of yourself. Thank you.